what could be inside this beautiful package? Stay tuned to find out. Hey crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I received this package from Altenew and I wanted to go over it with you. This is going to be a cardstock haul. Since I've been investing more in my collection of Altenew inks, I wanted to have some of the matching cardstock to go with those inks. So we can open this up and see what we have. I love this packaging, and this is so cute. A lovely package for a lovely crafty friend. Look at this bubble wrap. And it has some of their floral designs on here. I love when companies have interesting and fun packaging. Okay. Oh, the things. I have a coupon, so that's fun. And this, I don't know if it's for the month. I think it's this week. This week's freebie is this Misty Harbor Fresh Dye Ink Cube. Altenew is always running either free things or 50% off particular kits or a sale or things like that. And if you want to keep up to date with that, you can check out my Facebook page. I list there any crafty sales that I come across with links there. Oh, I love these. These are even better in person. This Enchanted Garden enamel dots. And the coloring with my lights is very weird right now, but this is more purple than they're showing up. And then these are the frosted foliage, and these match with that collection. And these are nice different shades of green. Let's see, I don't even know where to start. I wonder if I could sort these out a little bit. Alright. Okay, so we'll start with the Forest Fern. This is a great dark green color. Let me turn on my other light. I think it'll be a little bit more glare, but we might actually be able to see the colors correctly. Oh, this would be an amazing green to do die cuts of leaves and foliage. This would also be an interesting color to use for Christmas, I think. Alright, then we have Volcano Lake. This is an interesting kind of green-blue color. I like that a lot. And then we have Hunter Green, which goes very well with this Forest Fern. So that's a very, kind of like a grass green sort of color. Oh, I love this one. Dark Night. This is a very dark blue. That is a great color. I love that. It's a very rich, dark navy. Alright, Okay, then we have Nimbus. This is such a beautiful color. It's like a light blue-gray. Oh, so pretty. Oh my goodness, this is bright. My light is not quite picking up the correct tone for this. This one is Ultramarine, and it is like electric blue. A little bit of purple. Yeah, something like this. Like, this is a very hard card color, ink color to match. So you kind of need the cardstock that goes along with that. This one is Cosmic Berry. This is a really pretty kind of like mauve purple color. It's so pretty. This will be a good fall color. Ooh, I like this one. Vineyard Berry. It's kind of a cranberry color. This might make a good Christmas red also, to go with that the green one. Oh, this is beautiful. Yeah, this is very much a cranberry red color. It's very rich. Oh, I love it. Almost there. This one is Velvet. It's kind of a red brown almost. I wish I had this color when I was making, I just made one of the chocolate flowers kit cards, and this would have been good to have when I was making the chocolate bar. It's a gorgeous color. And finally, we have dark chocolate. This is a very rich brown. Just gorgeous. Very dark. Love this one. This would be a good fall one also. Alright, so for the browns we have dark chocolate. For the reds and purplies we have Velvet, Vineyard Berry, and Cosmic Berry. Blues we have Ultramarine, Nimbus, Dark Night. And then for the greens we have Hunter Green, Forest Green, and this kind of green blue color, Volcano Lake. So let me know in the comments which one of these is your favorite. I think I'm kind of partial to this Nimbus and the Vineyard Berry, I think, are my favorites. Anyway, I will link everything I showed today in the description box. They are affiliate links, which means if you click on them and end up making a purchase, that really helps out me and my channel, and I appreciate you shopping through my links. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and check out my Facebook page for any upcoming crafty sales, and I do post cards and videos there as well. So thanks very much, and have a good day. Bye-bye.